I think that the culture of your discussion around your football, which it wasn't developed within a day. To develop a culture of the way Ankophobia first you or Madiano. Culture no a certain people then it becomes normalized within or more environment and any kind of culture. Enti unsa nansi Carlo Ancelotti de ne Brazil squad ne baye no utie a global money abola mo any all the Brazilian strong media houses in discussions na omo reveal the ekoso ewo a form ho about him for disagreement with Carlo Ancelotti. The disagreement was with Carlo Ancelotti. Until we say, oh, me Gidis and Kawase we bem, and we am bem. The question goes to Carlo Ancelotti.
Because he is the coach. On a collab, no?
England, Ebony squad Friday. All the questions people are raising. Tabloids, oh, I didn't know Kopama, Nhyira, I didn't know Fred Gibbs White, I didn't know Phil Ford, the one for Nanko, I didn't know Weja Danny Warbeck, no for Ivan Tony from Saudi Arabia. All the questions are to Thomas Tuchel. Oh no, you coach. Oh no, you're responsible for the squad. And it is for a lot of these football nations in the World Cup. I didn't think Ghana any different. I didn't think a young Kwade say it drew a discussion on your BlackStars call-up, whether you agree or disagree with certain players. I was like, also come bem ebimu woma wujiri so mun deserve. Argentina, there is a deliberate attention from James Mchofo to bring in the General Football Administration and cite them. Try to put something together to say, oh, mimi disagreement na mimi wono. Mimi anya chaos squares am ni nenya. Mini obi nenya. Why that culture? Rich. Aya nioma be mienu miense bi na betimi ama sade naba. The first underlying one say I think say at least many fee a free question and take time. ABC the current football administration keto kumu time. They were in public speeches, interviews. The way the FA presidents have answered questions on the national team and what back see. So the president of the FA is on record at Joy in an interview with Gary saying, oh, when you are asked about BlackStars call-up, it is not within your responsibility. Inflate the question.
Who your coach?
For two baby, tell them say, oh, I know your responsibility. So when your coach now they should ask the process of different players. Simplicity. Subsequent interviews. Nancy coach Germany. He had an interview with OTJ, and he responded again. Look, the moment you try to provide answers to adhere any responsibility, no, the impression you are creating say that you are part of the process. It is your own come. Mimiti Rich, see baby Sam say Argentina akukwa and Nhyira FM or morning show hoster. Will I be able to answer?
You are not the program manager.
I am the head of sports. I don't determine who hosts the morning show. And at no particular instant, Anna, in public speech, Anna baby, I will assume I am part of that process. The moment you don't communicate well, you create a hole. Rich, Nasa me. If me person me call on any popularity agenda against you, and when you ask the genuine question, say, Argentina for perception or more feel say the FA president is part of the process of calling up. Also, then they quickly refer you to the interview and say, oh, then you know no can say BlackStars call up and that it goes through all of them. What will you say? And the interview is on record.
Franco, I'll say, Cass said as long as he leaves, he will be involved in player selection.
Fantastic. So if Asamoah Kano, I don't know whether he got the quote right, but I know even if it's a paraphrase, there is something like that. You cannot be vindicated from anybody who point fingers at you at this disagreement. Say ni pakodi mpo mischievous to say oh coach and who know about you have given him the opportunity to do that. And in subsequent communication, say if Kurt want to redeem himself from these backlash or on stage interviews, not only writing these narratives by giving a correct answer to these things. Nancy, after some backlash, Okoye interview man Kofo Busano about BlackStars Osio, I think it was with Nats. I remember. Osio, there be after on Kabim, on Kasa Emfa Hubium, because anytime I Kasa Fahono, people misunderstood him and blah 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 blah. That should have been your me and amity, Rich. If one day, based on the experience I've gone through in this media work, if one day I assume the office of the FA president, I will never answer any question on BlackStars collab or any national team collab. I will say boldly, it is not my responsibility. It is the responsibility of the coach and the technical team. The moment you say that on record, nobody will attribute it to you. But say, oh yeah, why you say, oh, Bibia must go through you, and you will paint that picture to Ghanaians there. And everybody I know what you. And that is the first thing. Number two, Rich, if you go after Carlos Queiroz, it is not popular.
Say
there is disagreement. If you say only Carlos Queiroz nenya, YouTube no unya views. Enya popular. So Argentina young Fred Joseph Pesa na Carlos Queiroz akofre kam. Aya wo wadwen any Carlos Queiroz adwen and the boy bra. Obian so send a wadwen na wo kire. Nobody will come and watch the YouTube. But what can say? A catchy interesting tea and young Fred Joseph Pesa and your friend people will come and watch. It is more popular. It is more popular. It is popular to assign to these people. Ghana for people know how to trigger their emotions.
It is in the first place, Joseph President go blast on here. It says our problem no why. And going your collab no cry in the first place.
But you see, that is how we are. Yasumi de. You see it TBB. We always want to assign our disagreement and disappointment to a blame person. And then some trouble for be nim says and it is assembly bar. Onka no craning chiro. He will trigger our emotions in a woman. And the effort of giving themselves the opportunity, our matter foundation to work on them in making those popular opinions, It's rich a tune china. Gitum said that is how people are going to work. Say that's on that same sports platform. If they are discussing England and national team call up now, no more disagreement that they will go after Thomas Tuchel. The moment it switch to Ghana BlackStars, they will go after Kate. If it makes sense to them, that is what they do.
Now,
me and now me can say me cry me tea. Say ujamia, I may have one or two like questions. For instance, Rich, Joseph Edu of Celta Vigo. Yes, onya a challenging season, But he came back and he has been playing very, very well. And he has been part of the old BlackStars. Nobody can convince me, say a co-walk up. Not a experience, current form, any BBR. Rich, I will not rate Jerome Opoku, Jonah Agete ahead of Joseph Edu. In my opinion, I will not.
Wait a minute,
I will never rate Jerome Opoku, to some extent, Jonah Agete ahead of Joseph Edu.
Jonah Agete mean pen border. To be honest.
Oh, it is your personal conviction.
Mm-hmm.
And those are the things also, in your own opinion, would disagree. And people disagree. Say, who share Joseph Pencil numbers? Now, also, ball already cry in America. No? Ode Toto Kamadin, why he offers with the numbers, Emma Atlanta, Ode Toto and Esuniama, Uprakoba, Yan and Sayan Oba, or more too many games are, or Nunu say, and for activeness. Any obia or Sony Jadada and the familiarity of the environment. You for Joseph Penson Konipakono on carbon. The person has a very logical argument in the Bacono and a way. And me, I've always said, if you are not tolerant to your opinion, there's no room. I was say so sad. So I will say. Oh, Kenyans over Chiraji, Obi Chiraji, I will say, Dabi. The only problem is when they assigned extreme issues with omu opinions. Now, I mean, you with Baba Rahman issue. The first question I asked is, if not for this current Effie, as watchers of the BlackStars, would any Ghanaian media man know Derek Kun? Derek Kun, and I will say, like, or your choice, and you know, they know, every make argument against Baba Rahman say, Kaoji say, Yam fair no, and that a corruption in Tina, Yam fair no. The guy was introduced to you, Semchoni, no, through the same FA. What's after the open as some cheomo? No more can no. Rich, tell me, if not for this current FA, anyone to Adwa, Ghana need better than him the Rukun as a Ghanaian. In fact, a branch and nationality switch, which FA did it for him. So why will you assume, if not for mischievous purposes, say who and they what about a branch yano actually FA now and lead it to what switching nationality Abagana? How does that make sense? Obia introducing to you. And if in the final winner, say, if you are saying, say, on the basis of, maybe the Kuno, I don't have an issue with you.
That's it. I
don't have an issue with you. What you say?
So what doing? But so go to the stream.
I even
now because he went in him.
And now I'm catcher say, I have been privileged. Say, every Derek Kun since I started my invitation, every training match I don't watch it on TV. I've been there at the stadium. And when I was going through X, I saw one of my colleagues or one other station say, Nansane BlackStars Felix Ayakobono, Derek Kun has been the brightest spot. I was laughing. Because in my opinion, that is far from the truth. I know the club I could say. But that is how he saw it. Yeah. And he says, I say, and I prefer Derek Kun ahead of Baba Rahman. In that statement, I don't have a problem. But, Rich, never say, Baba Rahman able to Derek Kun. It is because Baba Rahman obidoba and a favor. And
Obi Kra say Baba Rahman obobo Greece. Derek Kun bobo Germany. Upe player or bobo Germany and the player or bobo Germany. Any Greece is also prefer Greece enough for Germany. Look at this. conclusion and nipa ne
but that same player, that same person will argue say Yamfa Benjamin Asare and World Cup from Ghana, right? Me say Rich.
So Bobo Greece who wins Bobo Germany. Argentina yeah, Greece in near Germany.
Let me conclude war. Where Baba Rahman, just as Henry was saying, look, Ejumawe, if you decide to be honest and tell the truth, it may not be popular, but Rich, you always leave the studio with your conscience intact. And that has been my principle why I do this job. I don't care whether what I will speak in this microphone. And once I know, say I no crap and make a good microphone. Rich, I Miss Soyana say because I'm a pom programmer. I go with clean conscience. Since Baba Rahman, you know stadium, the guy felt hurts. Threats no echo just beyond even the pitch. Ebimu threatening on no nebusia and in the Bibia. The guy felt say me a Ghanaian. Edian kwa na beba enkofo benya otan. Edian mami to this level just because I am playing for the national team. Send us hadia national team no match me ho afiri ho. Enkofo ne kasa change wadwe na bebo na national team there even the president of the state enkofo did not them. As a moja munyina have had their bit of insults. Any other into change wadwe. Abantensi o debi. Say unim the way it has affected me. And ka can't tell me say member back na member me nyanya ready member. I have already told you I did my first degree in psychology. Rich, obiani the way of dealing with trauma. Ebi me is stronger than ebi mo. Obi o hompa udi na terminal. And ebe send him kwa na bebo no. Obi o immediately he want to come and prove you wrong. But Obi o honso those things get him slow. It take time for the person to recover. Now, Rich, what happened? There are a lot of people who have spoken to Baba Rahman. He said he was not ready. Now, Karos Kures, whether a lako, whether a weso, whether a time and a hili babao. Yes, if you raise the question, say, and how could it be, say, I qualify for World Cup in India? Genuine. Yeah. Genuine question. Say, now Baba, now he's convinced because World Cup na so and or kububi. Anything about genuine reason why you question about me raising. But the fact of the matter, they say, Rich, say Obi go through verbal abuse. On a victim no. And you who analyze the issue now a victim. It is only the victim that can tell you his readiness or not. So I can't say why you ready now. You quickly have to then put him within competition. Shapia okay, boy, what about this season? The number of appearances are one. The performance vis-a-vis only BlackStars team. No, or opportunity to play the left back. No, were they better than him or not? In the coach's mind. I see me by my hair footages. I have followed the BlackStars. I have seen the players at every position. Me say in my ranking of the left back. Say me convince Baba Rahman. No, G2 no be available there. In my ranking of the left back, me pick it or no. Any Gideon Mensah as my left back, or more Makano, or more excuse here. There are more opportunities at the BlackStars. If you disagree and say Ujiri say in your own opinion and consider Kaderi Kun about number 1 and now number 2, or be displacing either Gideon Mensah or Baba Rahman, fair enough. But never, never without your understanding of what trauma is. Say, and if Argentina FN, why you ready? Do you know what he has gone through? Now, Rich, Mammy Musa says me as an opeko course, you know. I am one papa. Unim say, and this, I think I need to do a research about it because I won't be timber 6 years. Rich, and can a normal circumstances home. So, we Ghana football landscape now. Players pa and come constituency. Some bank of chere omo edo. Players who have fast stint with Kotoko has. Baba Rahman obebo Kotoko. He's a former Kotoko player. Obuboni Pao. But he doesn't have the love of as only a local constituency that can own him and say, oh, we are a former Kotoko player. It's a me Kotoko ni me cast ni biama. And only be. How did that happen?
Asemu. Nyakuba, I say, okay, the message the way first one they mean can second one. I say Baba took advantage of the situation and rescind his decision. Even if his decision is genuine, the timing is poor. Exactly. And yes. Timing. No, because Argentina you can't walk out.
But you see, Rich, I don't know.
Decision.
It is genuine question you can raise. But as a student of psychology, you can never definitely say the timing is wrong because what the guy went through, you don't know.
I guess I said, have you forgotten that Asamadan decided not to play for the BlackStars together with his brother?
Yes.
Under President Kufuor's time.
Yes.
Asamadan's work as well.
Yes.
Because I come up to South Africa.
You didn't come. And to go for a man a young when he feels or come and but he came back to play. Today he's a lover boy, ambassador. Any idea? Look, let's be genuine.
A branded message was here. I could just come me person me kinda. Maybe I'm Busan and no so or just kana. I say ya kwaje baba romantica. And I yeah, Casa Barbara man in Bobo chair the raccoon.
Now, the any Barbara man BlackStars.
Intimate me, Busan say.
I was talking the raccoon man, the raccoon, or man, I use all the model.
Yeah, I said, MPK course in Bina. I tell for, Jadia Canada, Monsumra, na